That's on my box.
On record, Drew. On your box, son?
Yeah, he's on my
That's a
box.
bit rude, isn't it? What you got there hanging round your neck?
Angry Ken.
Angry Ken. That's a bit of favouritism, that as well.
It is, yeah.
What about, ain't Schubert going to get a bit cross about this?
Oh no, he sat behind you waiting in anticipation.
Oh, no, just farted.
Oh no!
Sorry, Schubert.
You've killed him!
It's gone green.
Oh dear.
You going to start this video then, Rob?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Hello, everyone. It's McRob here. I've got McAngry McKen with me, and as usual, McMarkOnTheCamera on the camera.
Hello guys, it's McBrien, McRC. We're mucking about today, aren't we?
We are. We're doing another unboxing, dude.
Is that why I'm here?
Yeah.
Is that why you've got me on the camera? What is that? It's on
That's why Ken's on me box.
It's a little box, isn't it, Rob? You've
It's
only got a little box, dude.
Yep. It's a little box for a little car.
Oh, well, what is it?
It's an FTX Outback Mini XP rock van.
Rock van. Does that mean it's an expert?
1/18th
1/18th?
scale.
What? It's a tiny little box, Rob. So what you bought that for then? Because that's like, you're normally a buggy bloke, aren't you?
I am. Well, it was reasonably cheap.
Oh, well, I know you're cheap,
It's
Rob.
a kit.
Oh, kids? They're not normally kids. I don't
No.
know. Oh, right, cool.
So that's the main reason. Give me something to do over Christmas.
How are you going to do that with your sausage fingers, mate? If it's only a little 1/18th.
Lots of tweezers.
I bet it's got tiny little screws on it.
Yeah.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Let's get the lid off.
Okay.
Right. There he is. Oh, this angry kid. And Schubert's looking after a tin of paints. Look at that. We look quite happy together there, Rob. What's going on? And there's his little box. Stop messing around with your light.
Sorry, I'm just trying to keep this area clear.
Professional or something about this.
Oh no.
Right then.
Right, well,
I am recording, you know.
I just noticed, because we're next to each other now.
Oh yeah, that's me and you, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So, before we get into the box,
Right.
I've decided I'm going to spray it, whatever colour that is. 'Cause
Lipstick, that is, Rob.
I can't see.
Lipstick red.
I've got the wrong glasses on.
Oh, I haven't got mine on.
It's glacier raspberry.
You're going for these fruits, aren't you? Fruit colour stuff?
I am,
and
yeah.
Stuff recently.
Well,
Peppermint and
I've got
what's going on?
actually every other colour.
He's getting a bit
So
fruity.
I'm finding it hard to find colours. So
Get the bloody lid
might
off,
be
Rob.
pink, might be baby pink next.
Oh God, just get the lid off.
I'm trying.
Come on, dude.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, what a mess. Oh, he's thrown the lid. He's in one of them moods today, guys.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
So we're starting with stickers then, are we?
Yeah, because I did have a sneaky peek.
Oh, all right then.
And these were all bent up, as you can see. So I took them out and tried to put them under my mat to try and straighten them out a bit.
You
But
got two different colour sets.
you do.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm assuming you put either one or t'other on.
Well, I'll tell you what, mate, with that candy, whatever colour you are, I don't think I'll be using them at all. It's ain't going to go, is it?
No, it's
I
not.
think you might have to come up with some bespoke stickers, Rob.
Oh, yes, I might have to have a look.
Oh.
But at least you do get window masks.
And they're already cut out.
And they are. All of them are cut out, aren't they?
Oh, so those windows are like transparent then? You
Yes.
can see through. It's just like a
Yeah, it's just like
smoke effect.
smoke effect,
Yeah,
yes.
very nice.
Cool.
Just like a full-size kit,
Yeah.
and it's a 1/18
It is.
miniature.
One thing I've noticed though is there's a lot of plastic bags.
Ah, not good for the environment. Is
No.
that? Bad as Tamiya. Or
But
Tamiya, as some say.
yeah. You get your tools.
Ah. You need your
And
tools in your hand, Rob.
This is your destruction book, and it's in a couple of languages.
Oh, don't worry about that as long as it's in English, dude.
Yeah, I think the first pages are in English. But yeah, so, you know, as you can see,
Stuff,
a lot of it
instructions.
is already built, thankfully, because the bits are so small.
Come on then, let's have a look.
So,
No
that's
one wants
that.
to see the manual. That's gone for
We've
a burner.
got a charger
Charger.
and a 2S LiPo battery.
Oh no, Rob, you and
I
your
know.
lipos, what's going on?
Well,
That's a fair sized little battery, isn't it?
it is 600 milliamp.
Yeah, that should do a decent run time, I reckon, mate.
It should do, hopefully, because it's... no, I can't remember.
I can't remember. Come on, get the stuff out of the bag.
I think it's a 55 turn
Oh, it's a
motor
tiny transmitter.
It's a tiny
for
transmitter.
Tiny hands.
with
Switches.
switches.
Dip switches.
Yes.
You dipstick.
Oh no, I am.
It's a tiddler, isn't it?
It is. Takes 4 AAA batteries though.
Wow. It's going for it, mate. 6 volts.
It is. And
Well, you've got an ESC
we have a multi-function ESC with lights,
Oh, yeah, it's got
and
lights
it comes with lights, headlights, tail light, brake lights, reversing lights,
Oh my God.
and bleeding indicators.
Oh no, can't you turn them off?
I'm hoping you can. I'm hoping that
What's
dip
that in your hand, of
switches,
course, eh? I can't see that.
micro
Oh,
servo,
yeah, another tiddler. That is tiny, isn't it?
and the screws for it.
Right.
They all come in the one bag, if you know what I mean. So
Ah, now we're getting to it. Bits of chassis by the look
bits
here.
of rear axle.
Axle, yes, that's already made up with portals, mate.
Yeah.
Portal gears, look at that. And a wibbly wobbly in the middle. Or a spinny winny.
A spinny
Somewhere
wheel.
else. The fact it's got
2
portals
screws.
on is cool,
I
isn't
know.
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't put stuff back in the bags, Rob. I ain't got all day. Bloody hell, can't get the stuff.
You can't, can
I'm
you?
trying my best here, guys.
This is going to be a while though, dude, because there's lots of bags.
Jeez. You can cut them.
Indicators.
Bags. They're not indicators, you silly sod. They're wipers, aren't they?
Yeah, wiper
He's
blades,
lost the plot. Look, he's lost it.
R-clips,
Door clips,
mirrors,
mirrors.
stuff, more stuff.
What's
No
What's
idea.
that? What's that?
No idea.
Oh, yeah.
yet.
Looks like a bumper or something.
I've got to build something. You know, you have to put something together. Bumper.
Oh, they say that wasn't
I
a
think
bumper.
that might be a rear bumper, because that's the front bumper,
then. Oh, right.
and
The
some
grill.
of the stuff.
You get lots of stuff with this, don't you?
You do.
I thought it'd be easy to put together, but doesn't look that
Headlights.
easy. Oh my God.
The LED set,
Wow. I'm impressed, mate. You get some bits, don't you?
and a body,
A little-
clear Lexan,
A little Lexan.
already cut out, and everything's cut out
Looks
for
like
you.
it's laser cut or something. That's
Yeah.
wicked, that, isn't it? And holes in
Even the
front.
holes, yeah, and the holes for everything. So you don't need to cut anything out.
Amazing. Tail's got protective film though, yeah?
Yes,
Cool.
I can just about
So-
see that.
Yep, so that's going to be candy lipstick red.
Yeah, and we've got a motor and a transfer box
Already made up.
already made
So,
up.
Did you say that this has got metal gears in this version?
Yes, because it's the kit. For some reason, it's the same price as the RTR,
Yeah.
but you get metal gears in the gearboxes
Right.
and the portals,
That's cool.
and
For the same price as the
for
ready
the
to
same
run.
price. Yeah.
Well, it's definitely worth going, especially for a builder like you,
Yeah.
Rob.
And you also get the wheel weights.
Wow. They're worth like 20 odd quid, aren't
20
they?
odd, yeah, 21 quid or something.
Because it's not Bob the Builder, it's Rob the Builder.
It is.
Rob the RC car builder.
And then we have to, even though
Oh,
they're
it's
little
not
tiny-
Tammy, it's a tight core. Give it a
Look
little,
at how squidgy them are.
little sniff, Rob.
Oh yes,
What do you reckon?
very nice.
Can I have a go?
You can have a go.
Double sniff. Oh, no, I'll be honest though, Rob, it's not as good as a Tammy.
It's not
But they
as
are.
good as-
I
but
do
they
like the
are.
feel of them. It's a bit kinky though. It's not like that. It's a very nice soft rubber, like latex.
Yeah.
Not that I know what latex feels
No.
like, Rob. I think, can you cut that out? People are going to talk
Yeah, of
about
course we
us.
can. Not. And beadlock wheels.
This is looking. Every time you get another
Yeah.
preset, I'm getting more and more impressed, Rob.
And
I see why you went for this now.
yeah, the front axle with the steering, everything is all pre-built,
Pre-built,
and
yeah.
ready to attach to the chassis.
Looks like all those connectors are all metal, aren't they? Steel balls, are they? And
Yeah,
stuff?
steel balls and even more balls.
You can't beat some steel balls, can you?
You can't.
Balls of steel.
And a leather chassis with the shocks already in
With
place.
boingy woingies.
Yeah,
I hope
they are
Yoda's
boingy
watching this, you
woingy.
know, because I think he'll be having a laugh.
Yep,
Look at that. He'll be drinking a cider now, he will.
probably, yeah.
Definitely.
And we're not sure on
I reckon it's plastic, Rob, but he told me it was metal, but I don't. I think it's a ladder chassis, but I think the way it feels a bit squishy. Yeah, I don't think it's metal.
I don't know, it's a bit thin, so I'll have a try, I'll have a test
Right.
to work that
We'll
out.
find out later. Maybe put it in the description.
Yeah, someone
Mark was
else.
wrong. It's not plastic.
Yeah, or Mark was right, it was plastic.
There you go. Is that everything?
That's about it. Yeah. We've shown everything, batteries, stuff, motor stuff, yeah. So
then. You shot me
Right.
there, Rob.
Yeah.
Well, somebody's going to end the video. I'm on the cameraman. I don't know. Don't give me any prompts or anything.
it don't matter,
Don't matter, mate.
Well, thank you for watching Mc video. We forgot all about the mix.
Oh,
we're going to do lots more mix.
Bollocks.
I'm going to have to bleep that out.
You can't. You got to leave that in. Dude, I can't wait to see the McTruck in the McMuck.
In the So, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.
Ew, it's a new little car. You're gonna have to be your car, it's Rob's car. McRob.